Devaraja Master and the songs that he made in Kapi. Nisa rima pa nisa sa ni da ri pa ma ga ri sa. If you look at Jagadodharana Adisidale Shoda Jagadodharana Adisidale Shoda Jagadodharana. Or even if you look at Radha Mukha Kamala Madhurasito, popularized by GNB, originally by Papadasham Shivan, right? But looking at Kapi in film songs, you get beautiful, beautiful film songs from Johnson Master like Madhuram Jivamrita Bindu Madhuram Jivamrita Bindu Hridayam Padum Laya Sindhu Madhuram Jivamrita Bindu. But with looking at Kapi in the way Devaraja Master employed it, the original inspiration for Sannyasini came from, I think you can take a guess. Annu min aatmavu ninnodu mantrikkum ninne njan snehichirunnu pirinja povilum ninakini ikkatha മറയ്ക്കുവാനേ കഴിയൂ നിറഞ്ഞ മാറിലെ ആദ്യ നഖക്ഷതം മറയ്ക്കുവാനേ കഴിയൂ കൂന്തലാൽ മറയ്ക്കുവാനേ കഴിയൂ ആ സന്യാസിനി. There's another beautiful, so that was kind of the inspiration for that, right? And if you look at Devaraja Master and another duet that he made, one of Madhuri Amma's first duets with Yeshodas sir, I invite Indu Chechi to sing part of me with this. Madirakshi nin mridulaadharangal മദനന്റെ മധുപാത്രങ്ങൾ പ്രിയനു പകർന്നു കൊടുക്കും പ്രണയവികാര ചഷകങ്ങൾ മദിരാക്ഷി നിൻ മൃദുലാധരങ്ങൾ മദനന്റെ മധുപാത്രങ്ങൾ. So I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful song. Like those, like na 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 This is a non-Devaraja Master reference, but I recently heard this and it's in Pilu as well, so I'll sing it imitating a Shehanai. It's an old Doordarshan song. Pum, pum, the same time that song was made in the 70s, early 70s, Devaraja Master in 67 made Prema Kavitakale O Bhavatarangangal Kulir Koridum Devagangagale പ്രേമ കവിതകളേ. And Kapi is not a very like uncommon, it's a very common rag used in Malayalam film music. Tumbiva tumbakkudathin tunjathalu nyalidam. Tumbiva tumbakkudathin tunjathalu nyalidam. ആകാശ പൊന്നാലി നിലകളെ ആയത്തിൽ തൊട്ടേ വരാം. ആകാശ പൊന്നാലി